Hi, it's Linda, Chloe, and KK. We're experiencing a little bit of an emergency. Kaylee back here has the hiccups, and I am now going to heal her. What? I'm going to need you to take off your seatbelt. We've pulled over. We're not driving. I need you to put your fingers in your ears and then take 10 sips of this. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hang on. Lean forward. Oh, feeling me bone bella dominos, vobisco, sally bally, all of us dominos, be healed. They're gone. Let me know here in a minute. Are they gone?
Yeah.
And notice these girls' hair. Yeah, y'all look at hair. Hang on. We've had a fun day.
It's actually going, actually.
Duh! I am the hiccup healer.
I was feeling like I was gonna go slow up because it was like so bad.
I can do it. I'm not kidding. I've had people call me on the phone. Gary, all he can do is tell Bobby Joe, I'm going to call Linda for her to heal you, and she will lose the hiccups. All right, everybody. Chloe, go ahead and tell them the weather.
It is very, very, very hot. It's like
Like
100 degrees outside. That's what it feels like.
It is. Oh, it's not. It's only 96. It feels like it's like 107, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Well, we just went through shopping.
Yeah, we did. And we got flowers in our hairs, and we're just having a good old girl day and doing some arts and crafts. And everybody have a great Wednesday.
And tomorrow we're having Six Flags if we can.
Bam!
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 Yeah.
Bam!
Ow! Bye, y'all.